In this video, students, we are going to draw the Lewis structure of C2H4, which is called ethene. Students, we know that to draw the Lewis structure, first of all, we have to calculate total number of electrons. Students, total number of electrons. Students, we know that carbon is present in group 14, so it provides 4 electrons. So 2 carbon atoms provide 8 electrons. We know that hydrogen is present in group 1, it provides 1 electron, so total number of electrons is equal to 4. So we have total 12 electrons, and we have to distribute these 12 electrons between 2 carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms. So the second rule is that the less electron active atom is present in the center. But the other rule is also that hydrogen is present outside the molecule. So in this way, carbon is present in the center. Now, students, we place a pair of electron between two atoms, carbon carbon and carbon hydrogen, to represent a single covalent bond. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, students, we know that we have a pair of electron and we place this pair of electron on this carbon atom. In this way, in all these cases, if we observe this Lewis structure, hydrogen completes its duplet, because we know hydrogen need only one electron. Hydrogen contains one valence electron, so total 2 electrons. Attaining 2 electrons is called a duplet. Attaining 2 electrons in the valence shell is called a duplet rule. But this carbon completes its octet. But if we observe this carbon, we know that it contains 6 electrons. So, if we transfer this pair of electron between the two carbon atoms, then we observe that every carbon atom completes its octet and hydrogen completes its duplet. So we can write it like this: CH2 double bond CH2. This Lewis structure is the best Lewis structure for C2H4, which is known as ethene. Okay, dear students, wish you all the best.